Hi guys, in this week's video I'm going to show you how to make another festive earrings. I showed you the previous video, you saw these earrings, festive earrings, beautiful, check that out to make those. But now I'm going to show you how to make these, just using only ribbon. It's so cute, look at this guys, look at that. So I want you to check that out. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Get started guys. To make these earrings, all you need is some ribbon, just ribbon guys, literally. Found these ribbons at the Dollar Tree. Oh, see my lighting is blocking me. At the Dollar Tree. Did you see? At the Dollar Tree. Alright. But I'm going to just use clear tacky glue to hold in place and then seal it with some E6000, the stronger base one. It's okay. Okay, so that's all we have. And so all you will need, like I said, is some ribbon, jump rings, and earring hooks. So let's begin. Let me show you. So basically you take the ribbon, right? Hold it. Just put a loop, right? Bend it. Get the next loop, how you want it. Take another loop. Making 3 loops, really simple guys, and that's it. See, 3 loops. That's it. Then take your scissors, cut it. All right. Use your stapler just to hold it in place so it wouldn't come apart. You can use glue too, but I just want to use the scissors, the stapler, just to make it quick. Use your scissors, stapler. Do that one more time, guys. I want to cut the base. I'll take it out. So I'm going to take out the stapler. That was horrible. Okay. Yeah, and I forgot you did need a little bit of leather strip. So you take a leather strip, put it on the back just to hold it, right? You want to cut that, right? Guess what? You got to staple that too. So you want to actually have 2 staples inside of it. Right. It's just basically just to hold it in place. That way when you're wrapping it, then you would cut a strip off of the ribbon, right? And take it. Oh, before you take the strip, you have to punch your hole. Before you take the strip, you gotta punch a hole. Punch a hole. Yeah. Okay. And after you punch your hole, you make sure the hole is there because you gotta put your jump in through. See? Alright, so that's there. Alright, your jump ring. And now you take your jump ring, a good size jump ring. Okay, so yes, you add that jump ring, right? You're going to take another jump ring. Take the next one. Put that in there. Put the earring hook on. Close it. You could put a little bit of glue on it if you like, just to keep it from coming out. Your preference, but it does that. Right? Yeah, so far you see that. Then you're going to take your ribbon. You're going to wrap it. Then you're going to take your ribbon, the ribbon strip, and you're going to wrap it right around the earring. Just like that. Using the glue. So let's get some glue and wrap that baby. Alright. additional extras. Wrist strings that's hanging. Just cut those off. And these strings just from some ribbon. Now this is glue. Okay. And give it time to dry only because it's the glue. A few minutes and that's it. Give me a minute. I'm going to show you guys how. Alright guys, so here we have it. Let me just type my face so you can get a better visual. Look at that guys. Festive earrings. Look at that. Just using ribbon found at the Dollar Tree. How cool is that? Now you could design them anyhow you want. You don't have to make the design, but I just show you a cool, cute way to make some dangling earrings, drop earrings using ribbon. Okay, so I just showed you a cool way to make some earrings, festive earrings using ribbon found at the Dollar Tree. How cool is that? So remember, all you need is some ribbon from the Dollar Tree, any style you want, jump rings, 2, your earring hooks, okay? You need your sticklers, you need your pliers, oh, leather strips. You don't have to use leather strips if you don't have leather strips. You could use anything with a firm base just to hold it in place so you could wrap the earrings. And you could use this glue if you want. It's E6000 fabric glue, but I didn't find joy in using it, so I don't recommend it. Okay, the tacky glue is fine, but you did see it came off a little bit. Okay, but it's just to hold it so you could be able to wrap the base of the earring as I showed you in the video. So, okay. Also, and so the best glue for me to recommend is this. It's just as really strong, very strong, but it holds, it's durable. So all you gotta do is wrap it as I showed you in the video, and that's it. There you have it. Some cool festive earring ribbons from the Dollar Tree, guys. Go ahead, do it yourself. If you need me to make it for you, I'll make it for you too, but reach out to me. But anyway, guys, so here you have some cool festive earrings from the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, till next time. I'll see you next week in the next video. So go have fun, DIY, have some fun, just being creative. Bye bye.